Hey friends, Gary here. Welcome to today's video. This is another everyday photography vlog. I'm in this beautiful location, Oblix Village. I'm currently here with my wife, and today the mission is to familiarize myself with the 45mm focal length for micro four thirds. So today I will exclusively use the Olympus 45mm f1.8, a medium telephoto focal length. I am known as a wide angle kind of guy. I don't really use anything telephoto that much except for landscape photography. So today I want to try to familiarize myself with that focal length, be comfortable with it so that I can improve my photography skill, especially when I'm using that kind of focal length in the future. So today, while we're exploring this location, I want to try to take some portraits of my wife, take some photos of some flowers around here, and interesting composition that I can find using the Olympus 45mm. In terms of camera gear, I'm using my micro four thirds Panasonic Lumix GX850, a small but very capable little camera. Currently my favorite small camera of this year. Alright, let's take some pictures. Alright, so for our first photo of the day with the 45mm f1.8, I want to try to take portraits of my wife, some portraits, and then we'll try to photograph some other thing as well. Alright, so the setting is aperture priority f1.8 auto ISO, electronic shutter RAW, so we're going to post process the pictures later. Alright, 1, 2, 3, beautiful. Let's go a little bit closer this time. Try to make sure that everything looks nice. Right, 1, 2, 3, beautiful. Let's do horizontal portrait this time. Trying to find the best angle with the 45mm. Right, 1, 2, 3, excellent. Let's do something like this, a little bit more to the right. 1, 2, 3, excellent. One more. I want to try to get some layers on the background. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Some more portraits of my wife. I think the lighting is perfect. It is a little bit cloudy, but we still have sunshine. Alright, let's... Same setting, f1.8 aperture priority. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Let me go a little bit closer. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Let's do horizontal this time. Nice. 1, 2, 3. Again, I want to step back just a little bit and put my wife a little bit more to the left of the frame. 1, 2, 3. Again, this time a little bit to the right of the frame. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Beautiful. So one of the thing with the 45mm is that it is a little bokeh monster. I can get plenty background blur for micro four thirds using this lens, and product photography looks great, especially flowers like this. Let's try to capture one photo of the flower. 45mm f1.8 aperture priority. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. I love the background blur. I love the isolation that it provides. Just beautiful. Oh, the wind's blowing every time I take pictures of flowers. Alright, one more. Nice. Alright, I want to try to take picture of this green chair right here. I think it looks interesting with the greeneries as sort of the background, those plants right there, and also a little bit of the building. You know, I want to try to create a story here, a relaxing sunny day, you know, relaxing sunny afternoon with the greeneries and plants and all of that stuff. I want to try to tell a story. 45mm f1.8 to get some background blur. Nice. Take some more. Alright. Horizontal, will it work? No, not really. I like the vertical because the layers are more pronounced. Nice. Alright, still with the 45mm, I want to try to get used to this focal length. I want to try to get a feel of how it works. Now we found this nice sunflower right here. That particular one, the tall one, right in the center between all these dead flowers and leaves. I think it look really nice. I want to use the sky as sort of a background, and I just want to make it look very pronounced, especially with the lighting right now. f1.8 aperture priority GX850. Let's go. Alright, nice picture. Step back just a little bit to include the leaves so I won't clip them. Now I want to try to be as close as possible. The minimum focusing distance of this particular lens is not impressive, but still I can get relatively close to this guy and it looks okay. Vertical 4:3 aspect ratio. I think it's really forgiving. It is almost like square, so it's easy. What about this guy right here? I think it also looks cool. Try to isolate it apart from its friends. Nice, beautiful. Let's try to take this one more time, this time horizontal, with the sky as sort of the background. Nice, beautiful. Now again, I want to step back just a little bit because I want to give it a little bit more context, more of the greeneries around it to create a story, you know, like one of the flower in the flower field kind of story. Yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. I like the one zoomed out a little bit. Take one more just to make sure I'm not missing anything. Nice. All right. While waiting for the chicken to become courageous, I want to try to take some pictures of these flowers here, these purple flowers with the 45mm. Again, I think 45 is great for product photography. Close up of subjects like this. It doesn't have amazing close focusing capability, but still. F1.8. Let's take the shot. Nice, beautiful. Rule of thirds. Try to get as close as I can to the flower. Yep. Nice, beautiful. Trying to take photo of the chicken. Come on, chicken. Let's work together for the vlog. Nice, nice. Let me come closer. Please don't bite me. Come on, look at here. No? Yes? No? No. I think no. Oh, yes. Yep, yep. No? Yes? No? Gonna turn away from me. All right. Let's try to take photos of some flower again. This guy right here, 45mm f1.8. Nice, nice, nice. It's not particularly full of texture, but I just like the composition. Nice. Alright, I'm going to try to take picture of the carousel right there with the 45mm. We're going to crop it because this is quite a tight focal length, but I'm going to try to use some foreground so we have layers, something like this, f1.8, so it looks more interesting this way. Yep, as long as I don't crop the top, I think it'll be fine. Couple of pictures, looks very nice. Awesome. And that wraps up today's video. So that is all today's vlog with the Olympus 45mm. Hopefully this has been interesting, inspiring, makes you want to go out and take pictures. Please comment down below which one is your favorite picture. Also, don't forget to support my channel by liking this video, sharing this video, subscribing to my channel down below. And if you want to support my work even further, consider using the affiliate links on the description below. Use the super thanks button to make a small donation to my channel, or purchase my travel photography course called Simplifying Travel Photography ebook, link also on the description below. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye.